Firma. Today we've got this very unique olive green 1951 Rover Cyclops. This car has had a full restoration done, new paint, new motor. The motor has been rebuilt by Night Engineering. Now runs and drives very well. Let's have a look around. Good interior, good wooden dash, very nice retrim headlining, doors close nicely, good paint overall. This has the rear suicide doors, as you can see over here, easy access for passengers. Lots of room in here. Let's have a look here. Currently showing 74408 miles on the clock. However, the motor has just been rebuilt. So basically, done less than 100 kilometers so far. Rover P4 Cyclops, now available at Firma Trading Classic Cars. Have a look at our website firmaauto.com for more information on the best classic cars in Australia. Thank you very much.